Are you a person who plan every day of your life and all the time have a plan for your next day? Well, I'm not like that. Actually, for me, I think no plan is the best plan. So I wake up and I make my plan. I don't know what I want to do today, but I heard about the summer very special and amazing. I think it's not a bad idea to show you this place, and also my first time that I want to see this place too. Let's go for some adventure.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
This is it. This is a scary place that I told you. This place is called Bangkok Recreation Center. You can find the location in the description or in the comments. The best way to get here is by taxi, or you take a BTS to the last station, Kheha, and then take a taxi to here. Welcome to the land of the seagulls. Yeah, if you want to see the seagulls in Thailand, you should probably come to this place. This is the place that I'm going to show you. There are, wow, tons of them here. And this is so similar to the California beach. You can see a lots of seagulls in there and other countries. But in this season, it's a very good time to see them here and play with them. So let's go and feed them. This is a pork, fried pork, so you can buy it from there, only 50 baht. And I think the birds like it. Before that, I planned to go to the 7-Eleven and buy bread for them, but it seems they don't eat the bread. So I want to try this. They love it. Let's see. Wow. Come on, come on. Come on, guys. They're catching on the sky. Look. Just be careful if you're scared of them. You should keep in your hands because they're probably gonna bite you. Let's see. Yes. You guys ready? Let's go. Yes. Okay. Here. Yeah, come on. Oh. 1, 2, 3, here. These cute seagulls, they love hot weather, so they mostly come from China, I think, when the weather gets cooler there, so they come here. The best time to visit lots of them is in November. And if you don't aware of the sun and a little bit of the hot, then daytime is the best because it's not that crowded and you can still play with them. On the evening and sunset time, which is very beautiful here, probably more crowded. Let's go and see over there what we can find in that building. There's a building here that you can find a toilet and a buffet here if you're looking for water or ice cream or something. And there are some souvenirs available. I saw the sign of the restaurant. Wow, so this place is probably too old. You can see in the photos. In the long time ago, people used to come to this area a lot. Yeah, this is probably 100 years ago. They have a restaurant here. Actually, we come here quite early. It's not early, it's almost 12 a.m. And the place is so quiet. Often they have some festivals here. I can smell of the noodles. They sell it here. Sawadika. Hello. Kway teow. Wow, that's one of the delicious noodle. I think the restaurant here, they have a really fresh food. As this place is totally next to the sea. Actually, it's a very nice area. I think it's a good idea that you come on the evening time and have some delicious seafood here and enjoy this environment. And if it's not foggy and cloudy like this, then you can have an amazing view of the sunset. Hope you guys enjoyed those cute seagulls, and if you come to Thailand, don't forget to try it in Bangkok, in Samut Prakan. The interesting things about Thailand is in every place you go you can find a very nice cafe. So on the way back I just saw this cafe and I think to stop and grab some coffee. Let's go inside before we finish the video. You know, Thai people, they love coffee and there are tons of cafes everywhere. This affordable coffee or cafe is called Bank Cafe. I think I'm gonna order, I saw in the menu that she told me about the espresso and coconut. I'm gonna try it. This is my espresso and coconut water. The fact about this drink is, I don't know how, when they add the shot of the espresso on the top, it can stay like this. So if you don't mix it, you can like put your straw on the bottom and drink the coconut. Or just keep it on the top and drink the coffee. But I think you have to mix it. It's good. It's my first time I try a coconut with the espresso. So this is what you can't maybe find anywhere in this world except in Thailand. The mixture of all the type of coffee with the mango, orange, I don't know, matcha and lots of different things. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and those cute seagulls. Take care of yourself and stay safe. I'll see you on the next one soon. Peace.